How to redeem birthday gift Ulta. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your birthday gift of Ulta. Ulta Beauty is an American chain of beauty stores that carries both high-end and low-end cosmetics, fragrances, nail products, bath and body products, beauty tools, and hair care products. Ulta Beauty offers special birthday rewards. The way it works is you give Ulta Beauty your email and birthday, and then they will respond to you in the inbox with treats. You get double points on everything on your birthday month. You get choice of free birthday gift. You also get extra $10 off in store or online. You will receive any of the available birthday gifts. As you can see, these are the available birthday gifts as of now. The way you can redeem this is during your birthday month, choose one gift from the selection below. Then use the coupon code in your birthday email or the Ulta Beauty app to claim your free gift at checkout while the quantity lasts. So all you have to do is use the coupon code that is sent to you in your email from Ulta Beauty. You can also download the Ulta Beauty app to claim your free gift. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.